All right, let's go outside, take a live look here at Armature Works in Tampa. It is hot. Hot. Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins. All right, what about our Easter Sunday plans, though? Going to be raining on my egg hunt?
Well, I think the better chance for that rain, Josh, is actually going to be in the mid and afternoon hours, midday. So the morning hours, when the kids want to get out there first thing, it's going to be looking pretty good. We do have a small rain chance in the morning hours. I'll show you that, too, coming up here in just a little bit. But right now, we're basically dry out there. We are warm and basically going to get hot, like Josh said. Temperatures out in Tampa, 81 degrees right now. It's just starting to warm up. We're going to the upper 80s to near 90 for daytime highs today. So going to be a warm one. Let's head over to the weather wall and talk about the weekend forecast. It's finally here, starting off in the mid 80s for inland locations. Valrico, Riverview, Ruskin all checking in with 86 degrees right now. We've got 83 in Trinity, 83 in Clearwater, and St. Pete right now checking in with 86. So that's kind of warm. We shouldn't get too much warmer than that as the wind will come in off of the water as we go through the afternoon hours. 82 in Arcadia and Lakeland. You can see the wind mainly out of the south and southeast, and because of that, it's going to allow that sea breeze to get in on shore here in just the next hour or so. Couple of showers trying to pop up over Highlands County. Going to watch this area here in Polk County, Hardy, DeSoto, Highlands for just a sprinkle. Still have this frontal boundary back out to our north and the west. This will lay down across our area Saturday night and Sunday, and that is what brings that rain chance, which we really, really need. So here we go with the forecast model for this afternoon. You see that? A few scattered light showers, one or two in Polk County. The model's been overdone all week, but it's showing similar to what we've been looking at in the afternoons. Now, Saturday afternoon, 10 to 20% chance for a shower, and this one's a little bit closer to the coast before it works its way over to the east coast. And then Sunday morning, this is sunrise. Sunrise is at 7:11. So there actually is a rain chance in the morning hour. It's not widespread, but it's coming through with these low clouds. So we're going to be rather cloudy on Easter. And then you can see by 10:30 in the morning, one little shower trying to move through. I think, and the model's not showing much, I think we actually see a little bit more rain in the afternoon and evening hours. You can see it starting to come over on the East Coast by Sunday evening. So we've got a 40% chance for rain on Sunday. Some of that in the morning, most of it in the afternoon and evening. Next 12 hours today, just a 10% chance, a lot like what we've seen the last several days. Tomorrow, 86 for a daytime high. Couple extra clouds, onshore wind. You can see that the southwest wind going to the west. That'll keep us a little bit cooler. And then by the time we get to Sunday, only about 83 degrees because we will have more clouds than anything else. We'll start partly cloudy, then I think mostly cloudy, about a 40% chance for those showers and thunderstorms. Now, let's talk about that system. This is what we need, right? 10% rain Friday, that's today. Tomorrow, 40% on Sunday. You can see Monday as well. I think a little break on Tuesday. And then what is going on in the Gulf of Mexico? It looks like we're going to try and get a low developed. You've got an old frontal boundary sitting here. And think tropics. What we do is we watch the tail end of those for lows to develop. This is Monday. This is the European model. They're trying to develop a little bit of a low here and then drift it slowly off towards the north. So that's Wednesday. So the low's here, the wind's coming in out of the east, and it's going to throw some moisture our way, hopefully, because that will help. That will really do a good thing. This does not look like it will get strong. It probably end up being subtropical. The water's not warm enough if it's that type of low. The model is showing it that it would be. But you can see we keep those rain chances through Thursday. So if you look at the 7-day forecast, it's actually great news for our drought. I mean, 40% Monday, a little bit less on Tuesday, but look at Wednesday and Thursday, 50 to 60% chance for showers and storms. Let's hope, Josh, that this happens because we are in a severe drought. All right, don't forget you can get our forecast on the radio. 105.5 The Dove, 107.3 The Eagle, 106.9 WSRQ, and Magic 94.9.